See the love for this song, guys. People love this song so much. Hello Khasi people, Megalian, Kumno Pilong Paralog, your African boy Gabs Gabi, and I just want to say thank you so much, Megalia. Thank you all the family, the friends who welcomed me and treated me well. I just want to say I'm back to my place, that is South India, guys, Andhra Pradesh. So today is gonna be my first reaction video since I went Meghalaya, guys. So I will be doing reaction video, and at the same time also I'll be posting vlogs, guys, because I really recorded a lot. I filmed a lot of vlogs which is in my camera, but meanwhile we'll also be reacting because there is new and amazing song already, Khasi song, which are released out. So we'll be reacting and posting vlog at the same time, guys. Hope you will love it. I'm really so happy, guys. I can't express my experience or my trip or my journey all overall in Meghalaya, guys. I'm just so speechless, and just know I'm so happy, guys. I'm really so happy, and I received a lot of gift. I got a lot of stuff, guys. I will make separate video. Of all the things that I received from the people in Meghalaya, guys, because I received a lot of P, man. I can't explain this. You can see my favorite one here is from May. I will also post a vlog of this. It's coming soon, guys. And there is a lot of things in the background there, guys. You can see it, most of it also from Meghalaya. And I'll just make a separate video, guys. Let's not waste time so much. I'm so curious to react to this song. One of my friends by the name Dj Brayan. So he has an amazing song. People love it by the title LADA PHO IACHONG. Okay, Pnar. That is a Pnar wedding song, guys. So yeah, thank you. I also been to Jawai to Pnar place. So I love everything. I really love everything, guys. So let's just start. Make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be doing reaction and vlog in this channel. Let's go. My favorite. Let's go, DJ Brayan. This is gonna be my favorite everywhere I'll wear. Let's go. Let's dance, guys. Let's dance. 1, 2, 3, let's
LADA PHO kamu sim usencar hap champo penyinya dakatar LADA PHO IACHONG wana cirata utit oya pada kawerna LADA PHO kamu sim usencar hap champo penyinya dakatar ibor sentuh yong pidakut dakelano ikatu.
See the love for this song, guys. People love this song so much. Oh, you driving me crazy. Yanom. Yanom. 1, 2. Let's go. Let's dance, guys. Hopefully everything will be okay one day, as he says. Your husband will definitely make you happy one day. Just keep praying. Happy Kiru. Let's dance.
Oki jorki kaki man kamwa waro dawan. Oki jorki kaki man kamwa waro dawan.
one. Wait, I'll stop here, guys. My friend told me that this song is like it's a wedding song, marriage song, and in that song he's saying that like as a husband, I'll make you happy, and I'll buy you a load of things. I'll buy you cars and like that. So that is true. That is true, man. Hopefully, your husband is gonna bless everyone who is watching here, guys. Keep praying for your family, for your loved one, so that God will bless them and they will bless you with their love, and you will be happy kiro. Lada bin po chongo wa men sim jonga muama sima na milyanga. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Apikiru, boy
Happy
pikam ni hey burong. Apikiru, boy pikam ni hey burong. Ustad sang pi uya berkat saken boya nom ya nom.
Yanom.
Uya berkat saken boya nom ya nom. Lada bin po ya chong wanga cirata utit oya pada kawarna. Lada cha oya nga kamuslim usencar.
I'm trying to catch the lyrics, eh? Oh, May is also dancing, so let's dance together. May is happy, daughter is married.
Lada bin po ya chong wanga cirata utit oya pada kawarna. Lada cha oya nga kamuslim usencar abcem po upenyinya dakatar. Lada bin po ya chong wanga cirata utit oya pada kawarna. Lada cha oya nga kamuslim usencar abcem po upenyinya dakatar. Lada bin po ya chong wanga cirata utit oya pada kawarna. Lada cha oya nga kamuslim usencar abcem po upenyinya dakatar.
Dakatar. Okay? Dakatar. What does it mean by Dakatar? So anyway, I just love this song, guys. I love this song. And what I love the most also the beat. The beat is so hype. Like the beat will definitely make you guys to jump and dance like crazy. I also made an Instagram reel on this music video, and a lot of people they love it, guys. Yeah, so it's lovely song, and mostly people will use this song. Yeah, in my wedding day, definitely I have to use this song because it's a nice hit song, guys. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. I'm really so happy. I'll be reacting to you guys. Northeast also, especially, but Meghalaya Khasi people will be first people forever and ever in this channel because of their love to me, guys. I will never forget this. I just want to say, God bless you all. God bless you all, guys. Love from Africa. Till next time.